Good morning everybody, Vasilis Girasis for Trader24. The JSE yesterday closing at fresh new record highs. We saw our all-share index at the close. It was higher by 0.29% to close at 35,897 points. And we also saw our top 40 index making a new high. That was up 0.26% yesterday. Local currency relatively stable on the back of no real news coming through. Our market as a whole, very quiet, very boring day. Lackluster trading due to very thin volumes. At the close, I think our market had traded just under 4.9 billion as a whole. A couple of factors. Number one, FTSE being closed yesterday for a banking holiday. We've got a couple of heavy-weighted cap stocks dual listed in the UK. Stocks like SAB Miller, Anglo American PLC. So when that market is closed, it obviously affects our volumes quite significantly. Also, very thin economic diary yesterday. No new major news coming through. So our market's really just ticking over, going forward into September the 6th when the ECB talks. And until then, like I said, I don't think we're going to expect much activity in our market. We've seen low volatility, low volumes of late. So our market just really ticking over until we get some kind of significant breakthrough in terms of news. If you look at our top 40 index over here, this is one of the graphs we posted yesterday on our site, Trader24.co.za. I'm going to run through a couple of these graphs quickly. Here we're looking at the top 40. We see that it's broken through its previous top to make new highs. Our strategy on this one, to go long at 30,800, keep a tight stop loss. 30,500 would be our stop loss on this one, with a target price of about 32,500. Again though, we need confirmation from the Dow. We need to see the Dow breaking higher in order to assist in pushing our top 40 higher as well. Speaking of the Dow, if you look at this graph, we did say that we've liked it's been making higher lows, but we also warned against the 30,300 level in previous webcasts. It seems to be quite a serious level of resistance at the moment. We need to see a break above 13,300 for the Dow to move higher. My strategy would still be to go long at about the breakout of 13,350, but being so close to its resistance, a tight stop loss, 13,200. This 13,300 now being quite critical to break through, and it will also assist our market moving forward should this graph break out. Gold has moved up quite nicely recently, on the back of more hopes of more stimulus. We've seen it moving up quite nicely. Unfortunately though, the last couple of trading sessions it has stabilized a little bit and also pulled back. Looking ahead into Jackson Hole Summit, not much expected, no major breakthrough expected from the Jackson Hole Summit, and as such we've seen gold ease a little bit, losing some of that momentum. As a result, our strategy on this one would be to go long above a break of 1675, stop loss at 1650 with a target price of 1775. As an alternative strategy, possibly wait for a pullback towards the 1635 or 1640 level and rather go long over there. This is Vasilis Girasis for Trader24.